The first thing that I will do if I'm feeling like my emails are not being delivered to my email subscribers, the first thing that I'm going to do is send what we call a naked email. And let me explain. That naked email has no images, no links. It's pretty short. And all it is asking my subscribers a question. And what this does is it allows me to take all of those barriers out of there, or all of those things that could be potential flags that these different email providers could throw up. And I can make sure that I have the best chance of showing up in their inbox. And once I get in their inbox and they open the email, now I've established a relationship within the Google or the Yahoo or any of these email providers. And now I have a better chance of showing up the next time I send an email. Go ahead and give that tip a try. If you want more tips like this for building your email list, selling to your email list, go ahead and grab a copy of our email list building playbook. That is a 100-page guide that we give to all of our private clients, all of our students, and I think you'll find it very, very valuable. Go ahead, grab a copy, emaillistplaybook.com, and give it a try. I think you'll enjoy it.